What if I tell you that just by giving a single prompt, you can create anime, Ghibli-style, and cinematic videos like this, completely for free? And I'm not talking about basic clips, I mean full videos with voiceover, music, and editing. An AI tool that is not just a video generation tool, but a complete AI agent, which basically means it acts like your personal video editor that does everything for you, that plans your video, generates your script, creates the video, voiceover, and background music automatically. And not just that, this tool also becomes your video editor. Now you might be wondering, what kind of tool is this that does everything on its own from just one prompt? So let's not make you wait any longer and get started with the video. Hey, and welcome to my channel Tech2AI. So to access this AI tool, you need to open your browser and type focalml. Click on this link. I've already added the link in the description. And you land on Focal's login page. Sign up. You can also sign in using your Google account. As soon as you sign up, you'll be taken to the focalml homepage. The interface is very simple. It looks just like a chatbot. Similar to interfaces like ChatGPT or Qwen, it feels very familiar. Focal's free tier gives you a generous amount of free credits when you sign up, which means you can create multiple videos. You can start with free credits, which are enough to test and create multiple videos. You also get daily free credits, and you can even earn more through referrals. So honestly, credits won't really be a problem. And I'll also show you which video and audio models you should use, so your credits last longer. So let's understand how focalml's AI agent actually works. Here, basically, you get three options to generate videos: idea, script, and JSON, which is for advanced users. If you're a beginner and you don't have a script and you don't know anything about editing or scripting, then you can simply write your idea here. I'll type a simple idea here. Basically, I'm asking it to create a rainy day anime style scene. Here, by clicking on the plus icon, you can upload media files, add templates, or select generative models as well. If you click on media, you'll see image, video, and voice generation models listed. As you can see, all the top AI models are already integrated here. There's GPT Image, Nano Banana, Seedreen, Flux. You can choose any model you want. But if you want your image generation to use 0 credits, then select Flux Schnell 9B, because this model is completely free. Similarly, in video models, you have Cdance 1.5 Pro, Google Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0 Pro, Hailuo AI by Minimax, and many more. For now, I'll keep the default model, LTX2. For voice, I'll select 11 Labs V3. And for language, you can see it supports many languages. I'll keep it on English. Now I'll click on Generate. Now here's the interesting part. This AI doesn't just blindly generate things. It first understands your idea. Then based on that, it creates a complete plan. Look, it's asking me which platform I want to create the video for, meaning whether I want 16:9 or 9:16 aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9. Now it's asking for the duration of the video. I'll set it to 1 minute. Then it asks what kind of visual style I want. I'll select a soft watercolor / Ghibli-style look. Now it has planned everything. And this is the crazy part. I didn't create any scenes manually. It's giving us a full project overview. Scene by scene with exact timing, the entire video is already structured. Now it's asking if everything looks good, should we start generation? If you want, you can make changes here. Everything looks fine to me, so I'll click on Yes, Generate. Now you can see it has started working. On the side, the editor has also opened. It has started generating images first. And within a short time, the video is ready. Look here, it first generated images according to each scene, then converted those images into video clips.
Wait for me! Come on!
Then added background music, dialogue, and sound effects. And placed everything directly into the editor timeline. Let's watch it once.
Wait for me! Come on!
They must be having a lot of fun.
Come on, we're going home!
Now if you want, you can edit the video right here. You don't need CapCut or Filmora or any other editor. Everything can be done inside this tool. If you don't like any clip, just click on it, change the prompt and regenerate it. For now, everything looks fine, so I'll leave it as it is. Now look at the editor tools on the side. In the characters section, you can add character references, so your character stays consistent throughout the story. In stock media, you get free media clips and music. You can add them if you want. Since our video is animated, we don't really need them. You can also replace the generated music with your own choice. There are multiple transitions available here. You can add them between clips if you want.
Wait for me!
If something goes wrong, you also have an undo option. You can add effects like fade in and fade out. You also get an option to add text. You can delete or edit it as you like. From here, you can enable auto captions and it will automatically generate subtitles. Customize it however you want. If you click on settings, you can see all your project settings in one place. You can even adjust the video speed, make it faster or slower. Once you feel your video is perfect, click on Export. Then click on View Video, and from here you can watch and download your final video.
Wait for me! Come on!
They must be having a lot of fun.
Come on, we're going home!
Now let me show you its most powerful feature, script mode. Script mode means you give it a story and the AI converts it into a complete video. I've already generated a small story using ChatGPT. One important tip, keep your script in a simple paragraph. Don't write it scene by scene. Because this AI itself creates scenes, decides timing, and builds the entire structure. Just like before, the AI has automatically created a full plan here as well. It works like an editor that understands your story and turns it into a video. I'll quickly select aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube, duration around 90 seconds, and a cinematic Ghibli style. Now what this AI will do is first generate images, then convert them into video clips, add voiceover, add subtitles, and arrange everything on the timeline. Basically, the entire editing process gets automated. Now let's see the final output. Honestly, this looks like something I would normally spend hours editing. I only gave it a story and it created the entire video. And here, you can edit the video through chat. Just like you type in ChatGPT, you can edit your video the same way here. This is where it actually feels like you're controlling an AI editor. So overall, if you're a beginner, use idea mode. If you're serious, use script mode. And the best part is, everything happens in one place. No need for multiple tools. Do try this tool. The link is in the description. And I'd genuinely recommend you try it once. You'll understand how powerful it is. And if you want more AI videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one.